So hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today we are discussing about the new platform. This platform name is LBank. I have to put link this platform on my description below and comment box also in the channel you will see this platform link. And if you first time visit to my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So when you tap this link, you will see like this type interface, and here you will get to see many more options in this discover the era of meme legend. So you can check discover the era of meme legend and trade now in LBANK exchange. So here is the box get trading competition, USDT 1 lucky spin also, and MAP is the white spin for the crypto delight, and the feature activity and future price spike and $100 million now competition fund, and here is the future activity, and here is the size trading opportunities, and here is the some hot and favorite and top and gainers and hot futures, and here is the new. So you can check this is the new, and then you scroll the features, copy trading and copy the best, and now I will show you how to trade. So here's the cryptocurrency exchange trade, 1 million of users, and here is the fabulous trading experience, 24 of our customers, have the security and complete in global research also. And here now I will show you how to exchange this, and here you can trade now. So first of all you will scroll in the starting time, and here you can see this type of interface. Here is the discovery of name point, here you can check trade now. So when you tap you can trade now, and here's the LBank and buy crypto and one click buy and fiat deposit, and here you can check this is the price and buy and sell also, and here you can trade and the order book and trade also, and here is the some chart you can check like this type of interface. And here is the trade and features. I have to explain already this, and here you can earn and launch code and launch pool and fixable and more, and it's enough for the explanation. And here you can check this is the more option, you can create your own chart like this type. Here you can check, you can create yourself, and now I will show you the more options in this platform. And if you want to get more income, so here you will tap, and here you can check this is the right, or you can tap here, and after the tap invite your friend and earn crypto together. You receive 30% and friend receive 0.0% and default referral code. This is my referral code, you can check, and this is the my referral link also, and QR code if you want to share my friends. So this is my QR code also, and we can save, you can check, I have to save also, and after I will share. Join the affiliate program and invite and commission also, and refer, and here you can check my affiliate and rule explanation also, and here is the about us and product service support and buy crypto and contact us sales the community. So you can tap here, and after the tap you will first select your language also, so we can select the English, and you can join this group, and you can wait for the timing, so you can join and trade now also, and this is the group, you can check like this type of numbers. And now I will show you the more options in this platform. So this is the X account, you can follow also here, and here you can wait for some few days, and here you can check first of all verify, and here you can start. In my account also blocked, so I don't want to understand, and here is the Instagram also, so you can follow on Instagram. So you can check LBank, and here you can follow, and easily you can follow after the sign in. And now I will show you, here is the LinkedIn also, and this is the wallet. So here you can check all assets here, and here is the notification, and here this is download this app. If you want to download this app, now I will show you, here you will get the download option. When you scroll, and here you can check download this app and trade anytime anywhere. So this is the App Store and Test Flight and Android APK and Google Play also. You can withdraw and easily you can install also. Yes, I understand, I accept it, and here the message you can watch it. Here you fill your name also, and I hope you trade and earn up to 1,140 in bonus reward. Event ended, you can see, and how to participate. You must register with course referral code and click the registration bonus, and here make your first trade and grab another 10 bonus, and 10 future bonus, and future trade. You can see like this double trade and earn more up to 620 in bonuses in time and event start. You can see event start and registration and the event ended. So you can see, and this is the rule explanation you will read also. And now I will show you the more option. So this is the name, you can check this platform name LBank, and here is some communities. And now I will show you how to buy and buy crypto. So one click buy and fiat deposit, and here is the market also, and this is the market you can check, and here is the trade. So spot and leveraged token, and here is the features. So you can check, this is the features. And here is the copy trading, like copy trading and copy trading event, and top traders Leo, Ring, and the Headmaster Kevin also. And earn, you can check the launch pad and launch pool and the flexible and locked, and also bonus center and hot event and airdrop and gift card also. So first of all, now I will show you how to connect. So this is the option of connect. So first of all, you will tap, here is the connection of this platform, and after the password filling, you can check like ibank.com, connect this website with MetaMask, so you can connect. So first of all, you can check sign in request side 1 to sign in to you own this account. So here you can connect, and after the connect, you will see success. Here